Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Vrbo payouts to your bank account step by step clearly. First, log in to your Vrbo account. Navigate to your dashboard. Select the Payments option from the menu. In the Payments section, locate the Payouts tab. Click on Payouts to view your current payout methods. If you haven't set up your bank account yet, click on Add Payout Method. Choose bank transfer as your preferred payout option. Enter your bank account details accurately. Make sure to include your account number and routing number. Double-check all the information for errors. Once confirmed, save your bank account setup. Return to the Payouts section. You should now see your bank account listed as a payout option. To request a withdrawal, select the Withdraw button next to your available funds. Input the amount you wish to transfer to your bank. Confirm the transaction details before submitting. After submitting, wait for the confirmation email from Vrbo. The payout will be processed and should appear in your bank account within a few business days. Keep an eye on your bank account for the incoming funds. Contact Vrbo support if there are any delays or issues with your payout. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.